y'all some more of the headstones I've been making. I know I post over my baby girl headstones, and so I decided to do my mom, my grandma, and my granny one. I'm also gonna do my uncle one also, but I'm doing his after this, but I'm just trying to move a lot of these out of the way so they can be put down. So it do take a lot of space. They are big, so it do take a lot of space. So I need my space. I got a lot of other projects going on. So I want to show you. I just finished these 3 headstones. Also, so I just wanted to show y'all these. And come and tell y'all. So like I said, my mom one, my grandma, my granddaddy one. My mom, she has one, a flat headstone that she has since she was being buried back in 2005. She had one since then when I was a little girl. But every time I go down there to her grave, the grass and already covered back up. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to try to keep uncovering it. I'm just going to build her another one, make her another one, and so it can stand up off the ground, so the grass won't cover it up. So I'm not sure, we might take the other one up and rise it up, or I might just bring it back home and just let it sit in my living room, or I don't know. But I made her a tall one, stand up one, so the grass won't keep covering it in the grass and the dirt. I mean, I'm hot because I've been moving around in this studio, okay? And I also cut my air off because I do not want it to be so much noise in the background. So I'm right here sweating for y'all, okay? But yeah, so my grandma and my granddad never had one. They never had one. So I was like, okay, my grandma, my granddad, and my mom, they buried right beside each other. So I'm like, you know what? How about I make all of them one and put all of them down, okay? So my dad is gonna put them down for me. So yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like and stuff. So I just want to come and tell y'all, thank y'all for so much love, and thanks everybody for showing so much love, and the ones that want to put orders in, don't be scared to put orders in. Just contact me, email me, Facebook me, message me. I'm on my emails and whatever like that. Email me, y'all. I'm available. This is what I'm here for, to help. So I'm gonna show y'all these. So yeah, so I want to do different stuff this time for these. Every time I do one, it's always different in some kind of way. I don't know, but yeah, my mom. This is my mom's. I did her one. This is hers. She love red, so I did her like a red thing, with the red glitter and stuff like that. Like, so she had red flowers and white and green. But yeah, this is hers. And then over here beside her is my grandma. I'm not sure what her favorite color was, so I just did her a white glitter thing one. So yeah, so I'm not sure what her favorite color was, so I just did white. And then my granddaddy's is over here. I'm not sure what his favorite color was neither, but I just did a gray stone with black. So he's like a black and gray theme. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, these headstones are 77 pounds. I was shipping out one, and They put on the scale and they said this is 77 pounds, man. So yeah, to ship out one is gonna be costly, y'all, because I have found out what the cost will be for them. So yeah, if you want to order one and it's like not in my town or near me, I can just drop it off to you, then it will be shipping fee. And it's not my original shipping fee. It's gonna be a pretty penny because they are really heavy and yeah, take a lot of money to ship them off. But yeah, y'all, this is the other 3 headstones that I had worked on, and I just wanted to share with y'all. But yeah, I just love them. They so cute, and I never know what I'm gonna do when I do them. I just start putting them together and or come to my mind. I put it together and they always turn out so pretty.